here at Muddy Creek, about halfway through the season, and we've been consistent, man. We're just gonna keep pushing forward, keep getting up on that box. I need to get a couple wins, you know, it'd be great to get one here. Right now the track's not looking the primest. It doesn't look like it has much flow right now. It's really rough, which normally plays into my favor. I'm interested to see how it goes and get out there. We have to see how the weekend turns out, but I'm super excited just to keep on, try to get back up on that box and maybe make up some points.
Pretty rough, pretty choppy everywhere. It's going to be difficult on everyone. It's 90 degrees today, so that's going to play a factor in nutrition and fatigue on these guys and myself. And I just, you know, the hole shots are going to be key today. I'm thinking I get 2 hole shots, I could have a good chance of staying in the center of that box like I did at SOB. And that's when I want to keep the momentum rolling from that and keep picking off some wins.
We don't care when you call our name. We don't care, we are just the same. We ignore the race and we ignore the fight. We need a miracle. What's over there? It disappears. We love it all. Check out tears. Behind the progress, behind our walls. We had it all and we won't fall. Till the dream that turns into nightmare. The future is out. Run out of time. The dream that turns into nightmare. We don't care when you call our name. We don't care, we are just the same. We ignore the waves and we ignore the fire. We need a miracle. We know it's bad, then we forget. It's not our fault, it's not our fault. We know it's crazy, all it's sad. It's not the way we have to change. The dream that turns into nightmare. The future is out, we run out of time. The dream that turns into nightmare. The future is now, what's been done so far. We decide. We don't care when you call our name. We don't care, we are just the same. We ignore the waves and we ignore the fire. When the sunlight will go away, we stand here with nothing to say. When the ground will break away, we stand here with nothing to say. We don't care, you call our name. We don't care, just the same. We ignore the waves and we ignore the fight. We need a miracle.
All right, guys, just finished up Moto 2 here at Muddy Creek. I might not look pumped because I'm exhausted. Moto 2 was brutal. Just super pumped to be up here. I needed this win. I needed this 1-1, and it's really helps me in the points chase. I'm pretty sure I'm probably in second now, so that makes me, or third maybe, but either way, I'm creeping up, and bike worked awesome today, and I have no complaints. Gas and motor pulling great out of the start. Max's tires hooking up. I could hit lines that I don't think these guys could, and that really made a difference. And super pumped to be up here, like I said, and we'll see you at the next one.